Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Accessibility. This is where Samsung centralizes voice features. Once there, locate Voice Assistant or Talk Back. The exact name varies by model and Android version. Make sure your screen timeout is disabled temporarily so you don't get interrupted. If the assistant is active, gestures may change. Use 2-finger swipes to scroll and double tap to select. You're beginning the shutdown process. These steps prepare your phone so you can safely toggle the service off. You now find the voice assistant entry and tap it to open details. Once inside, flip the toggle to off and respond to the confirmation dialog. This prevents accidental deactivation, so accept it. If talk-back gestures are active, remember to use 2-finger scrolling and double tap instead of single taps. This lets you navigate the confirmation. On some Samsung builds, you'll also see an option to stop spoken notifications. Turn that off too. After confirming, the phone will immediately stop speaking and restore normal touch behavior. You finish by verifying the change. Open an app or lock and unlock the phone to ensure no spoken feedback returns. If voice responses persist, restart the device. This often clears stuck services. Make sure any Bixby voice wake words or Google Assistant hot words are also disabled in their respective settings, since they can sound like a voice assistant. If the accessibility toggle is unresponsive, reset accessibility settings or update the system software. These actions resolve most stubborn cases and restore normal interaction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.